G'day, I'm Paul, and this is my other cannon. Well, I thought I'd do a video in a week in the life of modding two cannons. Start with my work truck, putting drawers in the back. This week my truck is also getting a suspension lift in the front and back. Certainly not taking the boat out. Look at the sea, rough as. So, no fishing for me this weekend. Follow along, let's do some mods this week.
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6'2" in a compact, no slack.
Here we go, free lift. Front of the truck to the bottom of the guard is 890 millimeters, and from the ground to the top of the guard on the rear is 930 millimeters. Let's measure it on Wednesday night. Put a canopy on it finally. Been a long wait for a canopy. Took 2 months to arrive. But today we're putting some drawers in the back, building a floor to go on top of the drawers, put some carpet on it. Hopefully by the end of the day it'll be a proper tradie ute. Look at that, wonderful. Carpeted. Let's move some tools and open a drawer. What a cool setup. I've got some Dobby coils. Apparently these are for a Toyota Prado KDJ 150. And they fit the cannon, I'm told, says the suspension expert. So they're going to go in the front. It should lift the front by 45mm. And for the back, I've got some Dobby lowering blocks, but they're also lifting blocks depending on which side of the leaf spring you put them on. So this is going to lift the back by 25mm. The guys at Kepler put a 50mm lift in one of their trucks and it shuddered because the drive shaft was at a funny angle. Lots of my researchers suggested I should go with the 25 and it should be fine. So they're going in on Wednesday. Cool.
But you didn't hear that from me.
Drawers mounted. I already had these drawers, so don't go asking me what they cost. I wouldn't have a clue. They came with a previous vehicle that I hated, so I ripped the drawers out and got rid of the vehicle and replaced it with a cannon. It's a 17mm ply, carpet from Bunnings, F2 contact adhesive to hold it down. It's essentially the same build that I did in my van. You can see my van's got back drawers and side drawers. I also had those drawers, so don't know what they cost. There you go. I think the cannon looks awesome. Drawers are super solid. And there we go. Lock up the canopy, nice and secure. The lift is complete, suspension is in. This morning I've been into the tyre shop for a wheel alignment, post lift measurement, $945mm on the front, on the back, $960mm on the back. There you go, there it is lifted. And there's my flashy new Dobby springs in the front. Cool.
Don't go with the big girl in the corner with the ugly face and the curly waist.
There you have it. It's a week in the life of modding two cannons. Drawers in the back of the work truck, tailgate central locking in the work truck, and Dobby springs and lifting blocks in my truck. I've also started thinking about rock sliders to replace the side steps that I made a little while ago. They're now not really up to the task, so time to get some properly built rock sliders in. I'm Paul, and you've been watching me mod my two cannons.